Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating article from Centauri Dreams, SETI's hard steps, and how to resolve them. It tackles the challenging question of why, given the vastness of the universe, we haven't yet detected extraterrestrial intelligence. Intriguing, right?
Absolutely. So what are these hard steps everyone's talking about?
Essentially, the idea is that the evolution of intelligent life isn't a smooth, continuous process. Instead, it involves a series of incredibly improbable, highly unlikely evolutionary leaps. Hard steps, each one a major hurdle. Think of it like climbing a mountain with sheer cliffs. You need to overcome each one to reach the summit.
I see. So what are some examples of these hard steps?
Well, the article mentions several. Abiogenesis, the very origin of life, is a huge one. Then there's the development of eukaryotic cells, cells with nuclei, which are essential for complex life like us. Photosynthesis is another, as is the Cambrian explosion, that sudden burst of complex life forms. And of course, the emergence of consciousness itself is a massive, still largely unexplained leap.
Wow, that's a lot of hurdles. It makes the odds of finding other civilizations seem pretty slim, doesn't it?
That's the traditional view, yes. But the article challenges that. It highlights the work of evolutionary biologist Gerard Vermeij, who points out that our understanding of evolution is hampered by significant information loss. We're looking at an incomplete fossil record, with many extinct species that may have overcome some of these hard steps, but left no trace.
That's a really important point. It suggests that what we perceive as hard steps might be less improbable than we think.
Exactly. The authors also argue that the timing of our emergence might be less about overcoming improbable hurdles and more about Earth's environment reaching certain thresholds. For example, eukaryotic cells needed sufficient oxygen to thrive, and that only happened after a significant portion of Earth's history had passed.
So instead of focusing on the rarity of each individual step, we should be looking at the environmental conditions that allowed those steps to occur?
Precisely. The article suggests that if we find biosignatures in other planetary atmospheres, particularly those with nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water, it could indicate that abiogenesis isn't such a rare event. The presence or absence of oxygen could tell us about the likelihood of other hard steps, like oxygenic photosynthesis.
This is a really exciting shift in perspective. It makes the search for extraterrestrial life seem a bit more hopeful. But what about the comments section? There's a lot of discussion there.
Oh, the comments are a goldmine. They raise some really interesting points. One commenter, Ron S., emphasizes the dangers of selection bias, highlighting that our understanding is based on a single data point, us. Another, Henry Cordova, explores the technological hurdles, suggesting that even if life is common, the ability to communicate across interstellar distances might be exceptionally rare. It's a complex issue with many layers.
It really is. And the discussion about the sun's lifespan and its impact on the time frame for intelligent life to emerge is fascinating. It seems like the window of opportunity might be surprisingly narrow.
You're right. Michael Sloboda's calculations in the comments suggest that only stars similar in mass to our sun might have enough time for intelligent life to evolve before the star becomes too hot. It's a sobering thought, but it also underscores the importance of continuing the search.
Absolutely. This article really challenges our assumptions about the likelihood of extraterrestrial intelligence. It's a reminder that we need more data, more research, and a more nuanced understanding of evolution and planetary conditions.
Precisely. And that's why the ongoing research into exoplanet atmospheres and biosignatures is so crucial. It's a thrilling time for SETI, and this article provides a fresh, insightful perspective on the challenges and possibilities ahead. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the fascinating world of SETI. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.